Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Acura TL battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set. Safety is paramount, so wear protective gloves and eyewear to shield yourself from potential hazards. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Open your hood and locate the battery, usually on the driver's side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Next, disconnect the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. Carefully lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable and properly aligned. Connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal cable, ensuring both connections are secure and corrosion-free. Reattach any hold-down clamps. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Give the battery a gentle wiggle to confirm it's firmly in place. Now, start your Acura TL to verify the new battery is working properly. You might need to reset your radio code, clock, or other electronic settings. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Acura TL battery and are ready to hit the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.